What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on location at the Michigan PEZ Convention. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Okay, so we see the word PEZ here. And then we have this story.
Will more people come for the show?
Sorry, I'm trying to get this in the perfect light. The print here is really small.
3,000?
They're talking like 2,000-3,000. Yeah, that's what I heard.
Wow, that's crazy.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's free.
Okay, so I offered that with nothing, but there you go.
So you'll sell
Micro Trains line. Now, when I show you this item, here's the underside. And it's very small, so I have this Speedy Gonzalez PEZ dispenser here, so you can compare it to. So that's about the size of this item.
That's it.
Very small, very cool.
Have a good time.
This is a addition to your train set and also your PEZ collection, as this item here is hauling numerous packs of PEZ candy.
I'll be up at
Looks like grape, strawberry, and lemon. Very cool.
Get after it.
Yeah, about 7 o'clock.
So until next time.
Start selling.